The Sojag Marsala 10 by 12 foot sun shelter. Thank you for purchasing this Sojag product, which you'll enjoy all year long. If you need additional instructions, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service line at 1-855-659-4402. Replacement parts are always available, so please do not return the product. If a part breaks, simply order a replacement part using the part number on the gazebo. The installation should be done by a minimum of 2 people. Be sure to install it on a level surface. Open the boxes and carefully unpack all the parts. Group the parts together by type and place them on the lawn or on a blanket to avoid damaging them. You are now ready to begin the installation. Attach a base M1 to the bottom of each column A using the screws V. Join parts B to parts B1 using the union bars D and the screws V. Next, join part C to part C1, again using the union bars D and the screws V. Screw a column A to the ends of the short track C, using the screws U on the inside of the track and the screws X on the outside of the track. Repeat for the long tracks B. Insert 7 hooks Q into the slot under each rail B2A and B2B with the hooks facing inwards. Insert 6 hooks Q into the slot under each rail C2A and C2B, again with the hooks facing inwards. Attach the rails to the inside of the tracks B and C using the screws V. Install the corner covers W at each corner using the screws Y. Install the joint covers W1 at the middle of the tracks B and C using the screws Y and V. Attach the corner solidifying bars L1 and L2 to each corner of the structure, using the screws V. From the inside of the structure, attach the gap cover bars F1, F2, F3, and F4 to the upper part of the tracks, using the screws V. Attach the roof bars E to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V. Place the roof structure on top of the tracks. Screw the roof bars E to the columns A, using the screws V. Next, Attach the roof bars E1 to the inside roof connector K1 using the screws V. Screw the roof bars E1 to the tracks B and C, again using the screws V. Attach the outside roof connector K to the inside roof connector K1 using the two hooks WA and a screw U. Do not completely tighten the screws at this point. From the inside of the sun shelter, attach the solidifying bars H and I to the roof bars, using the brackets M3 and M4 and the screws V. Remove the roof panels from the box. Attach the metal brackets D1 and R to the roof panels. Refer to the illustrations in the instruction manual for the quantity and location. Starting on the left side of each section, place the roof panels on the structure. Overlap the roof panels as shown in the manual. Screw the roof panels to the structure using the screws S, T, U1, and X1. Again, refer to the illustrations in the manual for the quantity and location. Do not completely tighten the screws at this point. Once all the roof panels are installed, go back around the structure and tighten all of the screws. One side of each mosquito net is longer. Be sure to install them so that the zippers meet at the middle of each side. Hang the mosquito nets on the previously installed hooks. Locate the strap and metal hook at the seam of each mosquito net. They must face outwards so as to hook into the hole in each column. These hooks will secure the nets to the structure. It's important to anchor the gazebo to the ground, making sure it's well squared, to keep it from moving or becoming damaged in strong winds. Use Tapcon screws for concrete surfaces and wood screws for wood surfaces. In the winter, use the support bar WB in case of heavy snow. If you purchase the optional curtains, you can temporarily unscrew the rails on the inside of the structure in order to insert the required hooks. After the hooks are inserted, reattach the rails and hang the curtains so that they pass to the outside of the mosquito nets. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy your Sojag sun shelter.